So today we'll be talking about the IRS offer in compromise during this time of the COVID-19 pandemic. See, a lot of people always think IRS is this monster who is always there to get you and make you suffer, but that's not the case. This time, the IRS also is saying we understand what families are going through, and the IRS commissioner on March 25th, 2020, unveiled a new program called IRS New People First Initiative effort. And what's this effort about? I'm going to read an excerpt from what the IRS chief said, and then you can make a judgment on how you can make this work for you. IRS Commissioner Chuck Reddick said, "We are temporarily adjusting our processes to help people and businesses during these uncertain times. We want to be part of the solution to improve the lives of all people in our country." That's a very generous statement. So why am I bringing this news today? A lot of people who have debts with IRS, and when I mean people, I'm talking about individuals and businesses. IRS has what is called an offer in compromise. How does it work? An offer in compromise is a situation where you can write to the IRS and ask them to settle your debt for less than what you owe, reflecting your current circumstance, provided your circumstance is legitimate. And what circumstances will qualify you for an offer in compromise? Number one, you lose your job, or your hours significantly change in your work. That's loss of income. Number two, your inability to pay, maybe due to a medical situation or otherwise. Number three, your expenses significantly increase than what you normally pay. And looking at those three qualifications, I think most people, jobless claims today, 38.6 million. I am sure there are people who have IRS debts and may be wondering what to do about them. The IRS announced as part of the New People First initiative, taxes, instead of being due on April 15, will be due on July 15. During this time, IRS suspends or have suspended all liens and levies, judgments, property seizure. But your IRS debt is still valid. So if I were you, this is a window of opportunity. Being that you lost your job, or you have a significant reduction in your income, I would call the IRS and ask them, how do I apply for an offer in compromise? Or I will call my CPA, I will call my tax preparer and ask them, how can I apply for an offer in compromise so I can be able to settle my debt with the IRS within this window of opportunity? Now that the IRS has come out openly and said they want to be part of the solution and not the problem. So businesses, be aware. But remember, if you file for bankruptcy, then you are not eligible for an offer in compromise. IRS has a tool called the OIC Offer in Compromise Pre-qualifier Tool. I will make sure I leave that link on this video. If you go to that tool, you can enter your information and at the end, it's like a 2-minute process. And at the end, you will know if you qualify for an IRS offer in compromise or not, depending on your situation. Although they have suspended all levies and all judgments, but remember, interest is still accruing up till July 15. If I apply for an offer of compromise, is it an automatic approval? No, it is not. It depends on your circumstance, but there's no risk. All you can do is try. So if I were you, I would take advantage of this offer in compromise and try to see how I can settle my debts, my business debts with the IRS for as low as possible while we are all in this pandemic. I said, this movement is all about bringing you solutions. And whatever thing we think will help you and your family's finances at this time, we will bring it to you. If you've already subscribed to our channel, we thank you. If you have not done so, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can have more updates from us. Thank you, and always remember, leave comments and any other topic that you may want us to talk about. Have a great day. Thank you.